Hey, how you doing? Sam Spinelli, your real estate guy. Okay, June 15th was here and now it's gone, but the good news is we have less restrictions. And so we don't have to wear masks as often as we did, unless we want to, of course. So here's the fun stuff. This is a quick guide from California Association of Realtors. Not sure if I'm supposed to be putting this out or not, but I just want to keep everybody on the same page, and knowledge is power, right? So there's two times that you're going to see a house. One's going to be the open house and one's going to be with your agent showing you the house. The rules are, if everybody is vaccinated in a showing, so your agent's meeting you at the house, everybody's vaccinated, it is not necessary to wear the masks. If it is an open house, you cannot determine if people are going to be vaccinated or not, and so the mask needs to be worn for an open house, not for a showing individually. And so that's kind of the nuts and bolts of it. As far as the color-coded county tiers, there's no color-coded county tiers. And as far as if a city or a county does create a stricter guideline, you're supposed to follow it. If the seller wants you to wear a mask, if the seller says, hey, Sam, I want everybody who comes into the house, I want them to wear a mask, whether it's an open house or whether it is a private showing. Either way, if the seller says it, then that should be enforced. And that's going to be typically in the private notes of the real estate agent on MLS. So the agent will actually let you know if the seller wants you to wear a mask or not. So that's the great news. If you still want to continue wearing a mask, God bless you. Of course, we know that this is a dangerous virus and we have to be careful. Again, Sam Spinelli, your real estate guy. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. 408-393-9294. Talk to you soon.